Hi everyone, Helga here. Let's get ready for summer by making this cute beaded watermelon slice charm. It's the perfect aesthetic accessory for your summer bags or a fresh addition to your keys. We'll be using the raw, right angle weave technique for this project. To make this watermelon, you will need 4mm Rondelle glass beads in red, black, white and green. 0.25mm fishing line. I'm cutting about 24 inches, 60 centimeters of fishing line. Pick up one red, one white, one green and another white bead. Pass the other end of the line through the last bead to cross them and tighten it in the middle of your line. Now on the side with the red bead, pick up one red and one white bead. On the other side, pick up one green bead. Pass the end with the green bead through the white bead in the opposite direction. Repeat this. Pick up one red and one white on the red side and one green on the other side. Cross through the white bead. Repeat this process 2 more times. You should now have 5 crosses. Next, on the green side, pick up one green, one white and one red bead. Pass the other end of the line through the red bead to cross them. Starting the next row, on the right line, pick up 2 red beads and 1 black bead. Pass the left line through the black bead. Once tightened, thread the bottom end of the line to the left through 2 red beads. On the right line, pick up 2 red beads and cross the left end through the last one. Tighten and thread the bottom line to the left through 2 red beads again. Now on the right side, add 1 red and 1 black bead. Cross the left end through the black bead. Tighten and thread the bottom line through the nearest red bead from the previous row. Continuing the pattern, on the left side, pick up 2 red beads. Pass the right end through the last one. Thread the right end into the neighboring bead. On the left side, pick up 2 red and 1 black bead. Cross the other end through the black bead. Tighten and thread the bottom line to the right through 2 red beads. Now add 2 red beads on the right side and cross through the last one. Pick up 2 more red beads on the right and thread the same end back through to create a final cross. Bring both ends together, tie a few strong knots and hide the knot inside a neighboring bead before trimming the excess. To create a 3D charm, make 2 identical watermelon pieces. I'm using another 24 inches of line to sew them together. Stack the pieces and thread your line through a side bead on one half. Add 1 red bead and thread through the corresponding side bead on the other half. Cross both ends through a new red bead. Move the lines down into the next red beads on each side and cross through another red bead. Continue this process, moving to the white beads and then the green beads, using matching colors as you go around the entire perimeter. Finishing up, when you reach the top, we'll add a chain with a lobster clasp. I'm using a double jump ring for extra durability. Weave it in along with your beads. Pass the line through the beads of the final cross to secure everything. Tie a few knots, hide them inside a bead, and trim the ends. And there you have it, a juicy, bright watermelon slice. I'm so happy you're beading with me. See you in the next video.